Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. For the first hack, I will be using this 4x6 frame that I got at Dollar Tree, and then I have this small cutout that I cut from a Dollar Tree gift bag, and I just used the backing as the guide for the size, and then I replace back the glass on top of it, and behind it is the backing, and then I'm putting it all together in this frame. And I'm just fastening it to make sure it's intact, and that's the design that I'm going for because I will be using this to make a glue gun stand. And I will be also utilizing this stainless steel napkin holder that I also got at Dollar Tree. It fits perfectly on top of the frame. Then I'm placing my hot glue gun, which fits perfectly as well. So since I still have some space there on the side, I am using that to hold my hot glue sticks so that they will just be in one place. So if you have a small area, this is a perfect glue gun and hot glue sticks organizer. I love it. If you want the napkin holder to be in a fixed position, go ahead and use hot glue or E6000 to attach it to the frame. The next one is one of my all-time favorites, and I've seen this repinned by a lot of folks on Pinterest. It involves gluing one votive glass candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gluing it on top of a glass cutting board on one of the corners, and that tea votive candle holder now becomes the receptacle for the tip of the hot glue gun. Use a square glass vase from Dollar Tree. Add a couple of rows of skinny Washis to embellish it, and then decorate also the cutting board with 2 rows of skinny Washis. Then hot glue the bottom of the square vase on top of the glass cutting board, and that becomes the container for the glue sticks. I really love how both projects turned out, and I can use them when crafting. So I hope you enjoyed this video everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!